This Damadaniya rock was used by King Vijayabahu III and Parakrambahu II from Damadaniya era. It was basically nearly 1000 years ago, right? Then Damadaniya rock is a historical place in Sri Lanka. You can visit Sri Lanka, and also this place was created by Vijayabahu III, and at that time there was enemies. There were enemies from India, basically, so-called Kalinga Maga. You may have heard the invasion of Kalinga Maga was outspreading around the country. The Vijayabahu III was fighting against Kalinga Maga, and later on he was not successful in winning the game. But later his son, the Parakrambahu II, won the game, and he made the entire country under one flag at this place. This is the palace of Damadaniya at ancient times, Damadaniya era.